Hi kids, it's Miss Lauren and Drakey, and today we're talking about the letter I. I is a special letter because it can sound like I, inside, or ice cream. The I on the board says I. The I on the board says I all day long. Drakey, do you see anything that starts with the letter I? Does igloo start with the letter I?
Yeah.
Yeah, igloo. And I bet that igloo is so cozy and warm, right?
No way.
No, no, igloos are cold because they're made out of ice. We love animals. So let's think of an animal that starts with the letter I. Does tiger start with I? Tiger? No, tiger doesn't start with the letter I. Drakey, does dragon start with I? Dragon?
I don't think so.
No, no, a dragon starts with D. Does iguana start with I? Iguana. Iguana?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, iguana starts with the letter I. Okay, I need your help. I don't know where my I is hiding. Can you help me find it? Okay, thank you. Do you think my I is behind the giraffe? Let's see. Oh, no, the I is not behind the giraffe. What about the insect? Do you think my I is behind the insect? Yeah, let's check. You were right. The I was behind the insect. Okay, friends, let's use our imagination to pretend that we're on an island. I'm using my imagination to pretend that I'm on a vacation out on the island where the palm trees grow. I'll play in the sand, ice cream in hand, in my imagination. So, in that song, did you notice any I words?
Island.
Yes, definitely island. What about imagination? Does that start with I? Yeah, imagination starts with I. I'm going to sing it again, and this time I want you to really listen for all of the I words in that song. There's a lot. Ready? Okay. I'm using my imagination to pretend that I'm on a vacation out on the island where the palm trees grow. I'll play in the sand, ice cream in hand, in my imagination. So, does palm tree start with I? No, no, palm tree doesn't start with I. But ice cream, ice cream, does that start with I? Yeah, because remember, I can sound like or it can sound like I. When we use our imaginations to create something that no one has ever seen before, it's called an invention. And everything you see was invented. Everything was an invention. So the lights that you're using right now, or the screen that you're watching this on, those are both inventions. One day, maybe you'll think of an invention, like a car that drives on the road and flies in the sky and floats in the water. Or maybe a vacuum that sucks up all of your toys for you and puts them back.
Or a toothbrush that brushes my teeth and my scales without using my
Yeah,
hands.
exactly. That would be a great invention. We had so much fun talking about inventions, imaginations, and the letter I with you. What should we talk about next time? Come back soon and find out.
Bye.
Bye.